Hey guys, Jankua here from Mybizbreakthroughs. In today's lesson, let's talk about what is Google Search Network and Google Display Partners. Networks determine where on the internet your ads can appear. The campaign type you choose sets your network option. So in our case, the type that we set here is Search Network only. You will see here Google Search Network, check. And you will also see Include Search Partners. This box is checked by default by Google Adwords. If this box is checked, it means that your ad will show in a collection of sites and properties around the internet that will be eligible to display your ad when user triggered your keywords or your keyword phrases with queries on other search engines that Google has partnered with. Here's one example of the display network that Google's partnered with. So here is Amazon.com. So if someone is looking for bedroom furniture, they will go and search here from Amazon website. And when they scroll down, they will see these sponsored links. This is a text ad run by Google AdWords. And if your ad is running in the display network from Google AdWords, then you will be charged for that click. And Amazon will take a cut and you pay the click as an advertiser. Now, the question here is, should you be checking or not checking this box that says Include Search Partners? How do you decide on this? Here's a simple overview of Search Partners Network. Websites like Amazon, eBay, CNN, Huffington Post, Weather.com, Fox News, and so much more. It can also be accessed via Google search bars in other browsers. Oftentimes, Google AdWords is adding and removing partners regularly. There is no complete list and you'll never know where exactly these ads are showing. Let's say a user is looking for a bedroom furniture and the brand is At House. This is the website that he is trying to find and buy this furniture. So people are going into a search looking exactly for this brand. This branded search converts better if these ads are placed, let's say, in a display network partner like Amazon or eBay. Because when people do a search on Amazon or eBay or any e-commerce network, they have the higher level of commercial intent. Those users are more likely in the buying mode, searching for this branded furniture that they want, let's say, for their bedroom or for their living room. And searchers on these search partners make sense. So your users are already at the very bottom of your funnel. Remember, a branded search term, meaning is that the user is pretty much aware of what you offer when they are looking for your site. So you will see a higher conversion rate for search partners for branded traffic. Now let's go back to this website. For non-branded traffic, showing your ads in google.com will give you better traffic. It will give you more engaged traffic because people coming from Google have a high level of trust. People trust Google search results because it is the best referral system network on the planet. When people go to Google, they feel that Google will give them the best quality information that is relevant to what they are searching for. Now, let me put myself in the target user of this website. So this is about Breakthrough Guide, Design Your Future. So let's say if I am a user and I am looking for a breakthrough guide. So what will I do in Google search engine? I will just type here, let's say, how to breakthroughs, let's say to design my future, okay? To design my future. So this is the one that I will look from Google search engine. And then I will just click enter. Now Google will give me all the informations related to this query. Now if you will see here on the very top page of Google, this is the most relevant that they provide. So this is Mybizbreakthroughs to design your future. You see this? And this one also, the breakthroughs to design your future, Mybizbreakthroughs. And if you scroll down here, you can see ads from Google AdWords. You will see the add button here, the green button, and this one. Remember that Google is the most highest targeted traffic on the planet. So if you know how to structure your Google AdWords business campaign, you can position your text ad on the very top of search engine results page. So that's all for now. If you want to learn the ultimate and affordable to convert your traffic and pay only for results, you can get my 3-part free training video below. Janko here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.